If you
Is there
click,
a way that I can search within the training, like a little
yeah, yeah, yeah,
magnifying glass? I say
yeah.
hover over website, and it'll take me to where I need to be.
Oh, you mean like if you're using
So
Chrome,
like if yeah, if you're
like a little
talking like an
tutorial?
hour and I say I only need to learn this and it'll take me to that section of the training.
I don't think we have that level. Like what you could
Okay.
do is you could go like this inside the dashboard. There's a little here, let me refresh it. There's this little green bubble down here. See this one right here? So if you go in here and you put in let's just say Chrome extension,
Right.
right? Then it'll give you the article and typically the video. See, like some says how to install, how to use, right? So if you
Oh,
click
there
this
you
here, then it'll
go.
take
Good.
you here step by step with screenshots, and then you get the video as well. So I would do a combination of that, coming to the live trainings, and I always people book with me if you want to do a strategy session. People book with me with that kind of stuff. We can do a strategy session if you want to do that. So.
Does this have an autoresponder feature where I
Um,
can do like 10, 15-second videos and I want to send them out every other day, you
Yeah,
know?
you can do that with you well if you do like a bulk send, that's possible with our pro stuff. You just schedule it. But if you want like automations and drip sequences and actions
Yes.
that are initiated after that, that's Pro Plus. That would be the automated drip sequences. Yes.
Okay. All
Yep.
right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome to. Thanks for coming in.